Hi, welcome to Chrissy's Cooking Corner, and in today's episode we will be making a potato and zucchini bake with this big zucchini we'll be picking in our big yard, or small yard.
Well, nice and big.
I can't lift it. Alright, I got it, and now let's head inside and make the potato zucchini bake. Here I have my mum and our big zucchini, and we are going to be cutting it up and putting it into the tray.
But why are we putting it into the tray? What are we making?
To make the potato zucchini dish.
It's called bake.
Bake.
Do you want to tell them what ingredients we've got?
We have salt and pepper, or pink salt. We have sour cream. We have thickened cream, and we have cheese. Is that ingredient?
Yep.
We have our diced potatoes, diced. We have our garlic. We have them diced. We have them in this tray, and we're going to be cutting this in half and shredding it like that. Well, Mum will be doing it because it's the line.
No worries. It's going to be fun.
And Mum will start cutting it, but she started cutting it already because
it's a bit tough.
Yeah.
I'm weak.
Which side are we using?
Yep, we're going to attempt to use this side. What do you reckon?
Mum, cut it.
I know, babe. I know.
Let me cut
But
it.
you can't. It's so tough. It's like a bloody mutant.
I'm the one that can cut the parsley so small, like you.
Oh my God.
Big steak.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see how we're going to do this. You ready?
I don't think it'll go through.
Yeah, I know. I think.
Mom, if you could cut it.
Yeah, I don't. Please,
It's
do not do this without parental supervision because I have a funny feeling
it has
that
a cowboy hat.
something's going to go wrong.
Yeah, I'm gonna step back a little.
I don't even think I want to use this. I'm scared.
Mom. I don't know spell it.
This is not going to work because it's so tough.
Get Chrissy to hold it.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna hold it.
Someone's going to get hurt.
Don't bring it back far.
See, it won't even got one side.
Alright, let me cut it first.
You're not going to be able to.
No.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, guys, and I'm going to slice it.
No, our fancy high-tech.
Even slicing it with this is making problems.
So we'll be back in a while.
Huh?
Yeah, we'll be back soon.
Yeah, we'll be back in a while.
We have finally sliced through it all, and we have our slices here, and we'll be layering it on our potato and garlic like so. Like so. Look at the big pieces. Yeah.
Jeez, that's huge.
Yes, it's very big on the outside it's thick, but on the
I'll
edge.
put it there, put it in the middle there.
Do you want to put this in your
Yeah.
secure?
Don't you put any cheese or?
We will in a minute. The first layer.
Give us time.
That's it. Wait. Okay, and then
Right.
just put a little bit.
Professional.
Wait a minute. We're going to get some potato. Get some potatoes.
Okay, I'm getting some potatoes.
Layer it.
Okay, I'm layering.
Like scales.
Okay. Add the
Some
salt.
salt
Add
and pepper. Sorry, baby. Yep. Some garlic. Here we'll go. Yeah. You like cards.
Yeah, playing cards.
You like coasters.
Coasters. Yeah. Here we have our thickened sour cream and salt and pepper. I have put some pepper in, and I put more pepper, and now we're gonna put some more salt in. I can't see it.
Let's go in. You want to mix it? I think we've overloaded it with salt and pepper.
Hey,
Mix.
I love my salt, okay? It's delicious.
You will add pink salt.
It's so thick. Okay, I'm mixing it. I just want to look at it.
You're going to say mixing all that together, are we?
Yep,
Yes.
and then you're going to pour it.
Pour it on top of the dish. The immaculate dish.
And we have to get a bigger tray
because it was underflow
Yep.
and was gonna fall.
Yep. You ready?
Am I mixing it right?
You're fine. You can pour it on you.
Okay, what do I do with the spoon?
I'll hold the spoon.
Okay, Mom.
Be careful.
Do I just pour it on the
Pour
bowl?
it. Yeah, just pour it. Cover it.
Okay.
Yeah. All the way, moving around. Yeah, cover that side. Yeah. Good job.
Good,
Look
did I
at
empty
that.
it?
It's swimming in it.
If this was mushroom sauce, I'd be licking mine.
You would. Alright, now do you want to open the oven for me? Because we've already got the pumpkin and rosemary in there.
Not the pumpkin from the garden.
No, that's not ready. Open a bit more, be careful. Alright. Oh, that smells good.
That
Thank
looks
you.
good.
So how hot have we got the oven at, girls?
Oh,
180.
I don't know how to
Alright,
cook it.
so we'll be back in 40 minutes, half an hour?
40.
About 40.
What? Yeah.
40 minutes.
What she said.
Okay, see you then.
We are back, guys, and my mom will be serving my potato zucchini bake.
It's so hot and it smells amazing, Christina.
Yeah, it smells like mushroom sauce. I am very hungry, so I want to eat. And
Oh, look at that. Look at the layers. You getting the layers, Dad?
I am now.
Look at that. And it smells great. Too bad you don't have smell-o-vision. You're going to say we'll see you next time.
we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.